How to set the secondary mouse button to perform other functions or open an app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Mouse and Trackpad. Next, scroll down and tap on Secondary button. In here, you can set it to perform another action, such as go on the back home screen, open up the recent screen, go back, or open up notifications, open quick settings, or you can even set it to open up an app. So here, we'll open up, say, camera. So now if I tap on the second button, that will launch the camera. And here we go back in and say open up notifications. So if I tap on it, it will show notifications. Or I can tap on recent. So if I click on it, it will open up the recent screen. So choose a function or choose an items in here that you want to use. Otherwise, you can choose open quick settings or open up an app. So here, open up quick settings, or simply open up the contextual menu. Now, because if we press on the left button, press and hold, that already open up the contextual menu. So if you right click, it will do the same thing. So it seems a bit redundant to have it to set it to open contextual menu. So if you want, you can set it to say open up quick settings or open up an app that you frequently use. So that's up to you. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.